Hi, this is Parsley. Our great shot to you today. There we go. Hello, this is Scientist Vader, and welcome. This is my able assistant Barley. My name is Parsley. Right. Anyway, we are the Mirror Zone 2006. Dr. Vader, what exactly is the Mirror Zone 2006? Simple, it's a time machine. What? A time machine? You go back in history, you can change the past and alter the present. Why would I change the past? Why can't you go to the future? Really? I can find out where our enemies are and where our latest resources are. Next World Series. Nonsense, weak grass is for the sake of science. I'm going to get the time machine cilantro. You activate the time machine. I'm not going to do because I need that cilantro. Throw the switch. 10 and 8, oh why bother. Dr. Vader, are you alright? Are you alright? I see a new future for Rose Valley. Wait, what is it? It's all trees. Trees are water trees. Roads are coming for more than 10 miles an hour. Really? The trains never run on time. So the future isn't a fascist society. Chaos, also democracy will always resist laws or SEPTA. But that sounds like what Rose Valley is right now. It ain't going to the future at all. And what he thinks of the future, oregano. Next time you invent a machine, watch event so I get my name right. Oh boy, we're in a pyramid. I don't move. That's just so scary. I don't know about this. It's amazing. Look at all the artifacts and knowledge. Busy stuff. Look at the hieroglyphics. The fun writing. Well, that's kind of scary. Ooh, look at these statues. I don't know, it looks kind of scary. This one looks handsome. I know, it kind of looks scary. Don't worry, we spent all this time getting here and it's running anything. Well, of course. Oh, I'm going to explore this tunnel. I'll just stay here and look at these statues. Sparkus? Is that you? I'm not sure. What's that? Sparkus! Why is that Rosier? I just heard a stopping noise! There's a stopping noise? There's a stopping noise. Like, maybe it was just your imagination. Alright. I just want to explore this tunnel. Just my imagination. Just my imagination. I didn't hear a stopping, did you? Sure you did! Sparkus! What is it? I heard a voice. A voice talking? Oh, it's done. Come on, let's go lower. Oh, let's go. Come on, where am I? Like, maybe that was your imagination. Alright, let's think about me for a minute. Let's put this tunnel. Ready? Rubber Ducky, you're the one. You and me both having lots of fun. Rubber Ducky, I'm awfully fond of you. Do 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 Sparkus do 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 it's right do 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 do. Oh, she was dancing or dancing. We were singing. I want to go home. Oh, come on, nose Rubber Ducky. Well, bye boys. Yeah, bye boys. Ha bye. Hi, this is Parsley here, and it's good to see you. Here's a joke. A lot of people say ever heard the chainsaw. They're playing my song. How's the monster count to 19 on his fingers? How do you tell a monster from an elephant? Simple. A monster remembers. It's really amazing. So here's some more stuff. I'm back! It's good to see you here! I like to sing a song. Having a heat wave. I'm having a heat wave. Northern can. Having a heat wave. Having a heat wave. Northern can. I'm having a heat wave. Having a heat wave. Northern can. What do you think? I don't believe I have to deal with this. What do you know about that? Banana brain? Oh, come on. I don't believe this. Come on here. If you like this stuff, you won't believe it. Oh, I believe this. Hey! Of course, you know, this means war. Ugh. Hello, this is Scientist in this Baynard. Now, how many times do you ask yourself, nobody have you asked yourself, is these gorillas here? How many of you have been on vacations or working or eaten by unfriendly gorillas? Well, no more of that. Here we have the gorilla detector, and it works perfectly. That creature is not a gorilla, and it's what? The bell rings the white with flesh. Yes, this is amazing. Think of this thing. We're going to see a nut, see a gorilla smash a cat. No, take like I'm not being eaten by gorilla! Well, that's our show for today. It's quite amazing. We hope you had a good time. Till next time, we had a good time, and it's good time, and it's great for the morning to fine, and it's great time like the morning to fine, and great wish you had a good time. See you next time.